Speak English. Speak to me, and I will hear. I will listen to you, and I will speak. A lot of them, they want a miracle, and it's impossible. You have to be ready to study, and then you experience, and a lot will depend on your experience. If you know a little bit English, you will be more successful than others.
That's why actually experience is considered to be one of the most important features of adults by adult educators. I would like to share the last.
You mean life experience? Life experience.
Experience in different ways. Yeah, because it's difficult to divide your teaching experience, for example, and your life experience.
Well, experience may fall into several types. It may be life experience, it may be experience of being taught something, of a student's experience.
Sure.
You see?
Yeah.
There are lots of experiences.
Learning language or learning pottery, for example, so different experience, different skills.
So both of them, and all of them are beneficial. They're beneficial,
sure.
Both your experience
Sure.
of studying English beforehand, or some other foreign language doesn't mean to be English and only English. Your experience of life,